Today, we're going to take a look at the CHUWI Hi10 XPro, a new 10.1-inch Android tablet running the latest Android 13. We'll unbox it and see if this budget tablet is worth buying. The box contains the tablet, a power adapter, a charging cable, the user manual, and a protective case. Right off the bat, the Hi10 XPro feels premium for its price. The metal back has a nice texture, and the bezels are thinner than expected. The 16:10 aspect ratio is perfect for watching movies and browsing the web. Under the hood, it has a decent Unisoc T606 processor for gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. There's also a microSD card slot for expandable storage, and it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and even LTE for on-the-go internet access. So far, the performance of the Hi10 XPro is impressive. Apps open quickly and multitasking is a breeze. The display is bright and clear, and the speakers are surprisingly loud. Android 13 feels great on this tablet. The battery life seems promising, too. It looks like it can handle a day of moderate use on a single charge. The cameras are decent for basic photos and video calls, but don't expect flagship-level quality. Overall, the CHUWI Hi10 XPro is a great budget tablet with a lot to offer. It has a premium design, powerful performance, and the latest software. If you're looking for an affordable tablet for everyday tasks, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. And don't forget to check out the CHUWI Hi10 XPro for yourself. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the link in the description below.